If you are listening to this right now, I want you to know that your waiting is not a punishment. Your longing is not ignored. There is a reason why pregnancy has not yet arrived, and the universe has been preparing you and the soul that is meant for you. Every prayer you have whispered, every tear you have shed, every hope you have held quietly is shaping the perfect environment for the child who is destined to come to you. The child who will enter your life is not just any soul. They have chosen you, and you have been chosen to be their mother. Before a soul takes birth, everything must align. Your body, your mind, your emotions, your home, and even your spiritual readiness all play a part. Ancient texts tell us that a child enters only when the timing is perfect, and this is why waiting can feel so long and difficult. It is not denial, it is preparation. Sometimes the delay happens because your own healing is still in progress. Perhaps your heart still carries past pain, your mind still carries fear or anxiety, or your body is still adjusting to life's challenges. The Garbha Upanishad tell us that a soul waits until it finds a mother whose energy is ready to nurture, protect, and guide them. You are being shaped into the version of yourself that your child needs. The universe is making sure that when the soul arrives, you are fully prepared to embrace them with love and strength. The Gita teaches that the body is only a vessel, and the soul chooses the path that aligns with its karma. This applies to conception as well. Your readiness matters deeply. Your emotional stability, your spiritual balance, and your overall energy create the conditions that invite the child into your life. Modern science confirms what our ancestors always knew: stress, negative emotions, and imbalance affect reproductive health. The mind and body are connected, and a womb that feels safe and nurtured is the ideal place for a soul to enter. Sometimes the soul that is meant for you is extraordinary, with a special destiny. Such a child requires the perfect alignment of timing, energy, and circumstances. Just as Krishna's birth had to happen at the precise moment, your child will arrive when everything is aligned. Delay is not denial. Delay is destiny. It is protection for the soul, and for you as a mother. While you wait, there are many ways you can prepare yourself naturally and spiritually. Ancient practices like Garbha Sanskar emphasize nourishing the body, calming the mind, and cultivating positive energy. Eating sattvic, wholesome foods such as fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and ghee strengthens the body and the womb. Avoiding processed foods, excessive caffeine, and alcohol supports hormonal balance. Regular hydration, gentle exercise, yoga, and pranayama help maintain physical and emotional health. Meditation and mantra recitation align your energy and cultivate inner peace, which is essential for conception. Ayurveda recommends daily routines to prepare the body, including oil massages with warm sesame or coconut oil, herbal teas, and foods that promote fertility like jaggery, almonds, and milk with spices. It is also advised to maintain a calm and positive environment at home, as your emotional state influences your body and womb. Listening to devotional chants, classical music, and reading scriptures can enhance your vibrational energy. Creating a sacred, peaceful space in your home supports your spiritual and emotional readiness. It is important to understand that fertility is influenced by multiple factors. Physical health, emotional well-being, and lifestyle all play a role. Practices like adequate sleep, stress management, and gentle movement strengthen fertility naturally. Avoiding negative influences, unnecessary conflict, and constant worry creates a harmonious environment for the soul that is waiting to enter. Sometimes delay also happens because of ancestral karma or unresolved family patterns. The soul that is meant for you may wait until these energies are cleared. Performing simple rituals for ancestors, meditating on family blessings, and cultivating gratitude and forgiveness can help release generational stress. By healing yourself and your lineage, you create the ideal space for your child to come. Your journey is sacred, and your waiting is part of the divine plan. Every emotional experience, every challenge, every small victory is preparing you to become a mother. This preparation makes you stronger, wiser, more compassionate, and more aligned with your child's destiny. The universe is not rushing because it wants everything to be perfect. Your readiness, your healing, your home, and your energy all matter. It is also important to focus on your partnership and emotional connection with your spouse. Harmonious relationships and shared spiritual practices strengthen fertility. Communicating openly, supporting each other, sharing gratitude, and creating positive experiences together enhance your emotional environment and prepare you both for parenthood. Even while waiting, there are daily practices that help naturally align you with the child who is coming. Simple actions like connecting with nature, walking barefoot on grass or soil, spending quiet time near water, and nurturing plants or animals can raise your vibrational energy. These practices may seem small, but they create an atmosphere of love, peace, and life, which invites the soul to enter your womb. Your body, your mind, and your energy are the vessel that welcomes the child. Taking care of your health, embracing your emotions, and cultivating joy and gratitude are not optional, they are essential. Practicing gratitude daily, visualizing holding your child, imagining their laughter, and speaking kind words to your womb all send positive signals to the universe. Sometimes, it may feel frustrating to wait. You may feel envy or sadness when others around you become parents. This is natural, but it is important to gently release comparison and trust your journey. Your child is not late. They are arriving at the perfect time, in the perfect way, for the perfect purpose. Delay is protection, preparation, and divine alignment. The ancient texts remind us that conception is not just a biological act. It is a sacred, spiritual, and emotional process. A womb filled with love, positivity, calm, and devotion is the ideal home for a soul to enter. By preparing yourself physically, emotionally, spiritually, and environmentally, you invite your child to come into a world of care and harmony. Every practice you adopt, every habit you cultivate, every moment of healing is shaping your child's future. Eating nutritious food, meditating daily, maintaining emotional balance, nurturing relationships, practicing gratitude, and connecting with the divine all create an environment that supports conception naturally. The more aligned you become, the easier and more harmonious the process will be. Remember that every soul waits for a mother who is ready, and every mother waits for a soul who is perfect for them. This alignment cannot be rushed. Trust that the universe is working with precision and love. Trust that your body is readying itself. Trust that your child is preparing to meet you. When the perfect time arrives, everything will fall into place effortlessly. You will feel it in your body, your heart, and your mind. And when you hold your child for the first time, you will realize that every day of waiting, every moment of preparation, and every effort you made was worth it. Your motherhood is destined. Your child is destined. Your timing is divine. The universe has been working silently, shaping everything so that when your child arrives, you are fully ready to embrace them, nurture them, and love them as you were always meant to. Take care of your health, nurture your spirit, embrace your emotions, cultivate positive energy, and create a loving environment in your home. These actions are not just preparation, they are the foundation for your child's life and happiness. Trust in yourself, trust in your journey, and trust in the divine timing of the universe. Your child will come. Your child will arrive when everything is aligned, body, mind, heart, and soul. And when that moment comes, you will hold them and know without a doubt that the waiting was never wasted. It was necessary, sacred, and divinely perfect.